Hello, great people. I am Azuka OJ. I want to talk about the national award that is the trending thing now, the national honors. Normally, as usual, it's given by the president to certain people in the country who the government feels and they deserve the award. And it's amazing this award normally comes when a particular regime is about to grind to a halt. And it looks as if a way of pacifying certain people. But let's look at this. What prompted me to talk about this is I wanted to congratulate a lady from Anambra State. I think Adora Umeoji. I wanted to congratulate her for the award. She's part of the recipient. And I paused and started to think about it. What's the essence of congratulating her? Yes, even though Anambra state government has congratulated Anambralians who received award, the same award, maybe member of the Order of Niger, all these, they go in that fashion. I was like, I remember what happened. That was few many years ago. Okay, it's up to 10 years during Obasanjo's reign as president. I remember what happened when Obasanjo, among the people who were um, invited to be recipients of the award, was Anambra top figure as in the academics, Chino Achebe. Chino Achebe was among the people who was supposed to receive the award, but he turned down the offer. What? Why did he turn down the offer? Obasanjo was the person given the award, and he was to be a recipient. Why did he turn down the offer? He said, after destroying my state, making my state ungovernable, I think that was about the time of Mbadineju or Ngige, where they put Ngige in a boot. Yes, the time they put Ngige, a state governor. And, some people ganged up and put the governor in a boot. And we had Aso Rock, that's the federal government was involved. For some people to have the power to, the security set up around the governor, and some people got the power. Anambra was so ungovernable. A state that everybody knows is one of the most peaceful. Somehow it became ungovernable. There was a particular day from they shot through Newi, they passed Newi, they went to Oka, came back, they were shooting, and these are forces opposing the government. And you called somebody who is an indigenous of the state to receive an award. And he turned it down because it wasn't necessary. After all, does the award change your status? So what am I trying? Why did I bring up this story? I'm trying to let us see something. These awards, most of the time, they are using it to pacify people. And it's not enough. They are using it to gain favors. Because that particular government, most of the time you realize they do give this award towards the end of their tenure. So for me, the award is nonsense. And that is why Chinua Achebe turned it down. That is not what we want from your government, Obasanjo. Fix Anambra State. Fix the insecurity that you were part of causing that insecurity in Anambra. Fix it first. You turn my state to a place that is war torn. You made it war torn, and a place that there is so much insecurity, and you want to give me an award. Take that your nonsense award. So, okay, look at the other girl, the singer Tenny, at also. She was given an award. She didn't even greet the president. Well, I'm not trying to support what she did, the disrespect. But if I were Tenny, I wouldn't even go receive the award. And that's the best thing she would have done. So I wanted to congratulate this lady, Adora Moji, just like Toludo is congratulating people, Anambrelians and Igbos who, and I said, it's not necessary. Nigeria is not in the shape for people to start receiving award. That is not what we ask from the government. Enough of such silly pacification. The government did not do what it's supposed to do. They are using award to tell us, to buy our faces, to tell us, pacify us, make us feel good. These awards are given to individuals, not states. They are trying to buy favor, support. Definitely anybody that received the award will always talk about, oh, Buhari is great afterwards. And you forget the damages that were done in his government. So I joined Chinua Achebe and I will implore our people. You don't receive awards. The awards should be shunned. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. Such awards should be shunned. Nigeria is not ripe for it. Look at the level of insecurity in this country. Southeasterners who receive the award, a lot of appointments that should go to your zone, a lot of federal government projects that should go to your area are not done. A lot of things. There was a time, I don't even know whether Southeast is part of the railway project, whether they have included us lately. Now, if you check the security apparatus in this country, among the security chiefs, no Igbo man. It continued like this from the inception of Buhari's government. And I don't see him doing anything before the government tenure elapses. So I don't value the award. Stop using the award to deceive us. You know the right things to do. You are about leaving office and you are giving awards. We understand it. I will advise our people to, start rejecting this. Let's not be fooled any further. Snub the award. Let the government do the right thing they're supposed to do. They attach the award on your name, and so they write so person MON or ON or member of the other, this and this grand whatsoever. It's nonsense to me if the country is not working. There is massive insecurity like never before. You kill our brothers in the east and you give award to certain people. I can't understand. All the awards whatsoever, national honors, they are nonsense when the right things are not done. This is where I would like to draw the curtain on this one.